Hello everybody, welcome again to this lesson. We discovered the first type of equippable products, which is talking about a local product, including pencil and including here music track, and also an online book, and here also a teacher rank. So we just organize these items into equippable local products. So in order to make a local product here, you have to make a equippable virtual good, give it equippable model here local, and also we give it a name, description, and also the ID, and here with the item virtual new purchase with virtual item, and we give it the coin and the payment amount, the number of coins. The same thing for the other items here, including the music track and including also the learn from Ahmad Naser here product, and the other last one here teacher rank. We have another type here called category. So in category, we related the item into a single category. So for example, we have two t-shirts here. We have a shirt called app shirt, and we have another shirt called Ahmad Naser shirt. So once you purchase one, you're gonna toggle the other off. So they are related. There is some sort of toggling between these two. So once you toggle this, when you turn on, you're gonna turn this off, and once you turn this on, you're just gonna turn this off. So of course, if you purchase these two items at the same time, so you can use one of them at the same time. This is known as category equippable item. So the equippable, the equipment model here is category. So where do we define this category? There is a place actually inside inside the game here. We're just gonna show you how to define this category. So if you go to the top of this class, we define here something called virtual category, and inside for this virtual category, we give it a wearable gear category. So here you can name it whatever you want. So we can name it wearable, for example, shirt. Alright, so wearable shirt category, and this is just the category name, and we need also to give it a name. So we just gonna use this convention here, wearable shirt, and we just give it the app shirt product ID and the Ahmad Naser shirt product ID, and we're just gonna use this later on, but for now we're just gonna name it like this, virtual category. We're just gonna make it wearable shirt category for the two items that we have, the app shirt product ID and the Ahmad Naser shirt product ID. So if you go a little bit down, you can see we have these category items, the app shirt and the Ahmad Naser product ID, and we just connect these two categories to a category. We just name it in the section above. So yeah, this is how you make a category items. Also, we have another type here called global. So when you talk about global item, we're talking about a different thing. What do we mean by global? There should be a global category for these items. So we have a global category for these items. So they are not related to any category. They are related to global category. So you can choose one of them at a time. So like we have character 1 and character 2 here, and character 1 basically and character 2, we can see them here if we run the demo. And let's just give you a demo about the global so if I go here, let me just go to the in-store here, and you can see I got this image. So this character is related to global equippable virtual good. So if I go here, and you can see here we got app shirt. So notice when you purchase this and you make it equippable, it's equipped. If you go to the app shirt here, you try buy it and make it equippable, you can see this is equipped, but this is not equipped. So when you equip this, the other wanna be unequipped, and once you equip this, the other wanna be unequipped. So this is the relationship between the category equipable items. Also, we have another time which is related to global equipable, like we have here, for example, character 1 and character 2. So you can equip this. All right, and let me just go purchase 1,000 coins here. Okay, and I can purchase this, buy this. So once you buy this and equip it, you're just gonna be equipped the same thing, but this is related to the global items. So it's not local, it's global, but it's not related to a certain category, it's related to globally. So once you equip this, anything inside the global gonna be untoggled, and anything gonna be toggled, as you can see here. So this is the main difference. And notice here, when I, for example, I got this equipped character here, the default character. When you go here, you're just gonna click equip. You notice here that I changed the character of Ahmad Naser. So I can come here, equip. You can see I just changed it back. So and so forth. This is related to globals. So once you change it, for example, here, you go to the other scene here. You can see it's changed. In the entire game, the same as the other equipable products, they can be triggered inside the entire game, as we're gonna see in the next videos. So yeah, so this is the main difference here between the three types of equipable items, how to define each one of them by giving equipable model here and assigning the equipable model, as you can see here. So yeah, this is pretty much, guys, about how you define local and global and category-based equipable virtual good. Thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next lesson.